Do you cook for a large crowd and you never have enough room on your stove? I have a solution for you. My name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House, and we make incredible cookware that comes with a lifetime warranty. This is our double burner griddle. So you sit it over two burners front to back, but because it has special in the bottom aluminum with the stainless steel, it cooks evenly. So you put it over two burners and even the pieces in the middle get cooked perfectly. It is a non-stick item. It's made without dangerous PFOA, so you can use it carefully with your family. And this is great for so many different things. Imagine breakfast. You can put your eggs, your protein, your meat, and your potatoes all in one pan. You can use it for 8 pieces of French toast or 8 pancakes. Come lunchtime, 8 grilled cheese sandwiches. You can make pizza because this not only can go on your stove, but it can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lid and up to 450 degrees without the lid. I've made fajitas on here where in the middle I've put all of the vegetables and steak on one end, chicken on the other end. You can make cookie cakes out of it, fry a whole pound of bacon at the same time. It's an amazing item, and we just got it back in the line. So what I love to do is to bring you really good discounts. So I take a combination of customer and hostess specials and put them together. And this is one that I've put together for you and for other customers. You can get this for just $186, including tax, including shipping, and you can either pay it in full or do payments. You can make 6 payments of $31 each. It ships anywhere in the United States once it's paid in full. So just reach out to me, Linda. My number is 856-404-7420. You can text me or call me. This is the Thelindabradley special, and I don't want you to miss it.